Hi, my name is Alkina Tesfaye, and I'll be making this video for the $10,000 scholarship. This is my mom. And so basically, I deserve the scholarship because my mom has been through a lot and she's been right with me and everything. She's helped me with everything. So basically her background is when she was younger, not when she was younger, but when she was giving birth to me, she had nobody by her side. She was homeless. She didn't have anything. She sold a lot of drugs, weed, alcohol, and all that stuff. And she basically, she did a lot of things for me. She also sold her body to the devil, and you have to get in the video, and to the devil, and she now converted back. What? Oh, you have to convince them. It's not, no, you have to convince them to give you the money.
No.
No.
Wait.
Okay, wait. So yeah, that's what else yeah, you know. And yeah, basically, and now I'm here and she's still selling her body and stuff because we don't have money.